In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix login denied error on Uber app. So if you are being told we are unable to log you in at this time, please contact support for further assistance. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue on your Uber app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to fix this, first you need to troubleshoot Uber app, as this might be caused by a glitch. To do that, just go to settings and tap on it, and from settings look for this option, apps. Under apps, look for the option manage apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. Search for your app by name, and here go to for stop and okay, and clear all data, clear cache and okay, and clear now all data. Once you are done, you will need to restart your smartphone and try to use your app, and everything should be up and running. However, if that didn't work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have any update your app to the latest version. However, if this fails, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app. This might be the reason you are experiencing this, or you can't log in. You'll need to uninstall that VPN app, or if you have any recently installed security app on your phone, this might also cause the problem. Uninstall it temporarily and install it later. However, if at this point nothing works, then check and then see if you have violated any Uber community guideline. For that, you'll need to contact Uber support. You can do that using your Uber app. Go to the support area and contact support to fix your problem. However, if you don't have any issue with community guideline, then most likely the problem might be with Uber servers on your app. For that, you will need to try and use maybe a browser to see if it works. But if it doesn't work, then you'll need to wait after some few minutes to see if the internal server error on Uber will be fixed. At this point, now everything should work fine without any issue. Let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, let's meet in the next video.